Here we are looking at lesson number 5. This is in Word Problems, the Kumon Word Problems Grade 1 workbook. So you can do this work right along with me. This is lesson 5. I'm going to go through and read the problems, talk about strategies. Then I want you to pause the video and try to write the number sentence all by yourself. Okay, so let's get started with 1 through 3. Are you ready? There are 2 cars in the parking lot. If 3 more cars come, there are 5 cars altogether. Write the number sentence. So this is the number sentence. It's telling you all of the pieces of information. 2 cars are in the parking lot. If 3 more cars come, do we see a picture of 3 more cars? No, we don't. We have to imagine it. So we have to imagine there are 3 cars, 1, 2, 3 more cars coming. Okay? That's a tricky thing to do, to have to imagine the thing. 2 cars in the parking lot, 3 more cars coming. There are 5 cars altogether. So 2 cars in the parking lot plus 3 cars coming is equal to 5 cars altogether. In this sentence, we got all of the information we needed to write the number sentence. Sometimes you get all of the information, and sometimes information is missing. So we're going to start looking for those missing pieces of information. Number 2, if 2 more fish are put in the tank, there are 6 fish altogether. Okay, what they did not tell us was how many fish are in the tank. They told us 2 more fish are put in the tank. And altogether, that's our answer. Altogether is 6 fish. So 2 more get added in. How many did we start with? That's what's already in the tank. That's the number 4. That's the clue they gave us. They are only telling us that they added 2 to make 6. And what's this missing number? So let's try this a couple more times. These are practice problems that help us do this work here. So let's practice this again together. Write each number sentence below. All right, look here at number 1. We're only going to think about this number sentence and the pencils. If Ted gives Jim 4 more pencils, Jim will have 7 pencils altogether. If the answer here, 7 pencils altogether, that's this side of the equal, 7 pencils. So if Ted gives Jim 4 more pencils, so I can draw a quick pick to get those pencils. I have 4 more here. How many did I start with? 1, 2, 3. That's the clue they gave you. You started with 3, you get 4 more, and you end with 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. All right, this one doesn't have any help here. So this one had the helper number. Think about the sentence. If 2 more turtles come to the beach, there will be 5 turtles on the beach. So we're looking at how many turtles are on the beach altogether. How many? They told us the answer. The answer is 5 altogether. They're going to add 2 more turtles. They're coming. 2 more turtles are coming. So how many turtles started on the beach? If I add my 2 more turtles, I see my whole group of 5. And that lets me think about What number was missing? What plus 2 equals 5? What's missing? 3. 1, 2, 3 turtles. That's what's missing. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Okay, we've got one more example. One more we're going to do together, and then I'm going to let you do the last 4 by yourselves. All right, listen carefully. Write each number sentence below. So we only need to write the number sentence. There are 3 flowers in the vase. You put 5 more flowers in the vase. And now there are 8 flowers in all. 3 flowers in the vase plus 5 flowers that you add is equal to 8 flowers altogether. Okay, this is the work that you need to do. Let me read the sentence and give you a second to write the number sentence. 5 children were playing on the playground. After 2 more children came, there were 7 children in all. Take a minute and write down your number sentence, and then we're going to check it. Your number sentence should look a little bit like this. 5 children were playing on the playground, plus 2 more children came, and now there are 7 children altogether. In all is the same as altogether. All right, let's try number 3. I'm going to read it for you. There were 4 ducks in the pond, and 3 more were born. Now there are 7 ducks in all. What's your number sentence? Let's check your work. 4 ducks plus 3 more equals 7 ducks in all. If your number sentence doesn't look like this, pause the video and fix it. We need to make sure that our numbers match the information in the sentence. All right, let's move on to number 4. You had 6 candies and your mother gave you 2 more. Now you have 8 candies in all. Write your number sentence. You had 6 candies and your mother gave you 2 more. Now you have 8 candies. Being able to read the sentence and understand what you need to do, that's the trick of word problems. That's why we're practicing this. So all the answers are there. We're not practicing the math part. We're practicing reading the questions and figuring out what's missing. Right now, there's nothing missing. We just have to see where the parts fit in the number sentence. Number 5, you had 7 books and your father gave you 2 more. Now you have 9 books in all. Write your number sentence. You should see the 7 books and the 2 more with 9 in all. Your number sentence should look like this. 7 books and 2 more equals 9 books in all. So we use that addition when we're adding more to it. Okay, let's read number 6. 4 sparrows. Sparrows are a little kind of bird. Here, I'll draw my little bird. There it is. They're a little bird. Sparrows are really little. 4 sparrows were on the roof. 5 more sparrows landed on the roof, and now there are 9 sparrows in all. Write your number sentence. You should have seen the 4 sparrows and 5 more and 9 sparrows in all. Those are the important parts. Your number sentence should look like this: 4 sparrows and 5 more sparrows is equal to 9 sparrows in all. And this is what it looks like to finish lesson 5. So if you finished, great job. Keep up the hard work. Give yourself that 100%. As soon as your work looks like mine, then you know you've done all the things you need to do for lesson 5.